If you're going to be using Netflix, for example, any streaming entertainment service, that you can set the playback to use a lower resolution. And look at this, I really want to point out, if you choose low, you'll be using 0.3 gigabytes per hour. If you choose high, it can be up to 7 gigabytes per hour. So this makes a huge difference in your data usage. And I just want to show you how easy. Here I am signed into my Netflix account. You click over here on the account button and it is an account setting. So I click account and then settings, edit settings, and it's a playback setting. So there is where you would choose low. And so that means anytime you're watching anything on Netflix, it will be delivering it to you over a low quality. It'll still look fine, you know, and if not, you can go to medium. And the other thing is YouTube. If you go to YouTube, and you can do this on the phone as well if you're watching YouTube on the phone. Now on YouTube, it's when you start to watch a video, then you see this little gear wheel. You click that and it's quality. Click on quality and you have 4K, HD. We say either 720 or even 480 if it doesn't look too bad to you. You'll be really saving on your data usage.
Yeah, it depends on what you're watching.
As to whether you need it higher quality or
right.
Not. Yeah. But you definitely don't need 4K.
No, not on most TVs, and certainly not here on the ship.